open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved type R life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment.